guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is B.fleye Beauty, and today we're here for another tip related to brushes. So I'm gonna do kind of a spacey, a little bit of a darker, grungier look today, and I wanted to give everybody a quick tip related to brushes and putting on that color. So when I lay down my color, I don't like a lot of pigment at first. I like a pigmented shadow, but I like to place it on very gently. So how you do that, right, is depending on the brush that you have, but here's the ferrule of the brush, right? The closer you are to the ferrule, the heavier the product application is going to be. So if you want a very light touch, you want to be further away from the ferrule. So I'm gonna start my light application really far away, kind of holding the end of the brush. So here is a second color, it's a little deeper so you can see. So I'm gonna hold the end, right, like I started with, and I'm getting, again, it's a different color. So I'm getting that soft blend. And now on the other eye, I'm gonna go a little closer in, and you can see with this darker color how much more of the color lays down when I am closer to the ferrule. I don't know if you all can see that, but it's a way more pinpointed product application, right? It's not as blown out. And I can still buff it out to that. But if you're someone who wants more of a softer, layered, taking your time kind of color, then you're gonna wanna move further away to get that lighter touch. So you can see that this is a little bit more blown out and this is a little bit more pinpointed. Neither one of them are right or wrong, but it's nice to know how to use your tools to get the look you are going for. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.